Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received Happy Mail. Yes, I received Happy Mail, yay! This Happy Mail is all the way from Australia, all the way around the world. I am really excited to open this. This is so extremely thoughtful. I'm sure it's from one of my lovely subscribers, so I'm going to go ahead and open it with you and share. This is so super sweet. So I will start with the card. And here is her card. Oh, how adorable is that? I love it. It says Season's Greetings, and she's got a little scene with the houses and the little hedgehog looks like, or a little critter driving a car. Super cute, and it's dimensional. How pretty is that? And look at the trees. It says, find me on Facebook, search Cards by Mary. Okay, let me just open it up and read it. Just wanted to send you a big Aussie hello and let you know how much I enjoy watching your awesome YouTube videos. I am so glad to have found your channel. You are a very talented crafter and have provided me with lots of inspiration. I love to watch your haul videos, especially AliExpress, although unfortunately we don't have the great craft stores here in Australia. Your project shares are always so beautiful, not to mention your Happy Mail and swaps. Being the season of giving, I've gifted you a few little craft goodies from an Aussie company which may not be available in the USA. Finally, I wish you and your family a wonderful Christmas season and look forward to more great videos in 2019. Best wishes, Mary. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Mary. This touches my heart and I truly appreciate you, and I am so happy to inspire, and I'm so happy that you're watching my channel, and this is so exciting. I love it. Thank you so much. This is so super sweet. I'm going to go ahead and open up her package, and she's got it packed very nicely in this tissue paper. And I love receiving, you know, things, crafty items from different countries. It's always interesting to see, you know, the different items that different countries have. And so yay. This is so cute. Oh, she made me a loaded, it's like a loaded bag. Oh, thank you so much. That is super sweet. Look at that. And she's included a fun pin. Oh, that is super cute. A fun Christmas pin. And she's got some bling in here that I can use. Oh, those are pretty. Thank you so much. How sweet. And then she's got these glittered clothespins that I can use. Very pretty. And let's look at this. Oh, is this? Oh, it's a die. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. And this is, wow, it's like a border die. How pretty is that? It's called a lace topper. Oh, okay, so we can use this like on a treat bag or something. I'll definitely play with it and make something, I promise. Yay, thank you so much. And then she sent me this beautiful floral stamp. It says floral wallpaper. How pretty is that? Really, really nice. And then she attached this keychain, which is so cute. Look at all these little things. Oh my goodness, look at the little lock. And then this is, I don't know, I'm not really sure. I think this has to do with Australia. I can't think right now. Oh my gosh. It'll come to me after I am finished with this video. But this is super cute. Thank you so much. And then let me just turn it around. And she has included, I'm trying not to tear anything, but it looks like this super cute little notebook. It says, I love AUS notebook, and you know, it has the koala. How super cute, and a pen. Thank you so much for thinking of me. This is such a sweet little treat. Definitely check her out on Facebook, and if I can figure out her YouTube, I will definitely link it down below. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Please leave a comment, and thanks again for stopping by my channel today, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.